Welcome to Blurb 1, Numbers in Physics. Before we start, it should be mentioned that classical mechanics is the major topic, and this is normally given in the first half of your physics course. It takes a half a year. However, at the beginning of these blurbs, we're going to talk about, for about 10 of them, what's called Introduction to Physics. So we will talk about some basic things that are not necessarily classical mechanics per se, but they are important at the start of a physics course. Number 1 blurb concerns numbers, both exact and inexact, and we talk also about significance, scale name, units, and dimensions. Okay, so what is the big difference in numbers in physics? Well, one of them is that in physics, unlike the numbers in math, which are considered exact, most of the numbers in physics are measured numbers, which are inexact. By inexact is meant limited in significance. In other words, the number of significant digits. So, if you are given in math a number like 26.5, it may be assumed that this number could be used as 26.50, or it could be used in a formula as if it were 26.500, or 26.50000, etc., out to infinity. However, if in physics you are given a number like 26.5 centimeters, it must be taken as a measured number with only 3 significant digits. The logic is simple. If the measuring instrument had been able to measure to hundredths of a centimeter, then the measurement would have been recorded to that digit. As it is given, the instrument recorded only to the nearest tenth of a centimeter. Since most physics numbers are assumed to be from measuring instruments, and these instruments have scales, the numbers will have that scale name attached. And here is a major difference from the numbers used in math courses. Numbers in physics must have scale names attached. The problem is that you have had 10 or more years of scaleless math numbers, and now must adapt to a course that demands that scale names be included with the numerical value. Here are 2 simple physics words that mean scale name: units and dimensions. The favored is units. So instead of saying scale name, in physics terms, the initial most important rule of the course would be stated: what a physics student must get used to is the writing units with every physics number. Rule number 1.